Lead Generation 36-12-3, the one-day class. That's 36 closings in 12 months with 3 hours of lead generation every day. Hi, I'm Bill Kennedy, and I'm bringing this amazing training to you. Lead Generation 36-12-3 is designed to help you learn the fundamentals of lead generation. We look at mindset, get your foundation right, and make sure that you know exactly what you're working towards. We talk about your value. What is your value and how do you show your value to others? Then we'll talk about a variety of lead generation techniques. We're going to do a deep dive into the fundamentals of lead generation. You know, they always say that if you're struggling, you need to go back to the fundamentals and work on those first. That's exactly what we're going to do. Whether you're a brand new agent or you're an experienced agent who might be struggling a little bit, come take Lead Generation 36-12-3. I've been an agent since 2001, and I can tell you that the fundamentals of lead generation are absolutely the most important fundamentals in real estate. So join me, Bill Kennedy, for the one-day class of Lead Generation 36-12-3. Have an amazing day.